In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the SoFi mobile app with a simple step-by-step installation guide. Whether you're using an iOS device or an Android device, these steps will help you get the app on your phone smoothly and without any hassle. To begin, you'll want to locate either the App Store or the Google Play Store on your mobile device. This is the starting point whether you're using an iPhone, an iPad, or any Android-based phone or tablet. Simply tap on the store's icon to open it. Think of it like the gateway to a world of apps that can simplify your life, like the SoFi mobile app we're focusing on today. Once inside the store, you'll notice a search box at the top of the screen. This is where you type in what you're looking for. In this case, go ahead and type SoFi mobile app into the search bar. Be sure to enter it correctly to ensure you find the right app promptly. As you type, you might see a list of suggestions pop up, which can make the search even quicker. After typing in SoFi mobile app, a list of search results will appear. You'll want to carefully look through these results to find the official SoFi mobile app. It should be identified with the SoFi logo. Selecting the wrong app might lead you to something that does not meet your needs, so take an extra moment to verify you're choosing the correct one. Once you found the SoFi mobile app in the search results, the next step is to proceed with installation. You'll see a button that says install if you're using an Android device, or it might say get on an Apple device. Tap this install button and the app will begin downloading to your device. It's a seamless process, but it can take a few moments depending on the speed of your internet connection. Just sit back and let your device do the work for you. If you're connected to Wi-Fi, the download will usually be faster and won't consume your data plan. Once the installation is complete, you'll have the option to open the app immediately. To make the most of the app features, be sure you're connected to the internet and consider setting up a SoFi account if you haven't already. This will allow you to explore all the financial tools and resources SoFi has to offer right at your fingertips. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to downloading the SoFi mobile app. This app can help you manage your finances on the go, from checking balances to making transactions. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tutorials and tips to make your digital life a little bit easier.